Hey TechPacker team, this is just a quick alert because I know this is incredible, exciting news you would want to hear and I would like to tell you. Insta360 has now made AI Warp available for most of their cameras. Check this out. AI Warp is now available for the X3, the One X2, even the One X, the Go 3, Go 2, Flow, One RS, One R, and even the Sphere. Just download the updated Insta360 app. I found this update on the iOS store and away you go. The crazy thing is that AI Warp can be applied to both 360 and flat videos too, according to the description. I'm not going to try and demonstrate the 360 in this quick update video, but let me just show you some of the flat videos from some of those cameras that you can now apply AI Warp to, also known as the ChatGPT of video cameras. I'll have a tutorial soon, and if you've loved this quick update, watch this video next if you're deciding the camera you want for travel in 2024.